How to change username in Apex Legends Mobile. So for this, if you want to change your display name once, it's going to be for free. Any other name changes after that you might have to pay for, so make sure you get it correct first time and you're going to be using a name that you want to use. So to do that, click the top left hand corner where it has your current name there in the box. Mine's Subscribe YT. So that little box in the top left hand corner, click on that. Then it'll bring up this page here. What you want to make sure you're on profile. Then in the top right hand corner where you see the little pencil in the little box of that little pop out thing there, click on that. Then you should see a box underneath it where it says change name. Click on that, and then you're going to want to type in your new username in that little character box there. So just for this example, I'm changing it from Subscribe YT to Subscribe YT1, so you'll see this change. So click done on that, and then click accept. That's going to be costing that one token there. And then once you've clicked OK on it, that will change. You can see in game that it's changed there. So leave a like on the video if that helped you out, and subscribe for more helpful videos.